we're raising bees and planting trees. They go together very well. So the bees will pollinate the trees, and the trees will provide food for the bees.
Tanjona amin'ny tetikasa tantely, dia ny tantely sy fahanambary fa vokarina amin'ny alalan'ny tontolo iainana.
We'll open it up to see if there's a queen. There should be. We'll see if there's any new queens, and we'll look at the queen's eggs, brood, look for honey, and see what we have. Here we have a comb of brood. These are capped young with some honey that they keep nearby for feeding them. You can see the worker bees going in and out of the comb, cleaning, feeding, depositing pollen, nectar. Panahitan panzak. Here is they are making a new queen. So this is a little house. It's peanut shaped. It's a peanut shaped house on the side of the comb, which means that they are going to hatch this new queen. And because it's on the side, it's a new queen that half the bees will leave with, and not a replacement queen, not a supersedure queen for this hive. So they're planning on dividing. We have worker bees, male bees, and queens. So our project consists of raising bees and growing trees for the bees. So here we have eucalyptus. Over here is orange. Those are more baby oranges. There's some coffee. And the last thing there are little pine trees we'll use as a living fence. You can see an orange grove. It's a few years old. And in the back, we already have a stand of eucalyptus, and we will continue planting. This morning, we had a swarm form in our newest hive. We didn't know if they had a queen or not, so the queen was not locked up in a cage. So this morning, the newest hive swarmed and got ready to go find a new home. We don't really know the reason. They just weren't feeling at home here. Could be few reasons. Pests, too far for the food, but the hive swarmed and collected around the queen on a nearby fence. They didn't go too far. If they go far, it means they're not at home, but they stayed close, so they liked the area. We ended up being able to find the queen, put her in a cage, and put them back in the hive. So we put the cage back in the hive box, and all the rest of the bees will find her and come home.